Welcome back, students. Now we learn about Pythagoras property. So there is a Greek philosopher Pythagoras who had find out the property which angle is right angle triangle or which angle is obtuse angle triangle and which angle is acute angle triangle by the given length. So we have already taken here right angle triangle, and by the Pythagoras property we can find out the triangle is right angled or acute angle or obtuse angled. So they said there is three sides, this one side, this one side, this one side, AB side, BC side and AC side. There is, you have already done altitude, this is altitude AB for right angle triangle and this is base for this right angle triangle and this angle is right angle. So the opposite side of this right angle is AC, is opposite side. So if we make the square for this side along with this side square, this like this, we have made a square like this AB, B side, B is the length like it, B is length centimeter or millimeter. So this is a square, this is a square and this is a square here we have made here. So is the longest side is here A and this is the opposite side of the right angle. So with this, if we find out the square of these all sides, these area of the square. So area of a square for B side, this is B side and area of this square is B multiplied by B. We have know about square area of a square. So it is B multiplied by B means B square and the area of C side square, so it is C square and like this square area it will be four sides are A. This is A, this is A, this is A and this is A. So the area of the square for A side is will be A square. Now find out the name for the this is perpendicular and this is base for this altitude. What is this? The opposite side of right angle is called hypotenuse. This is longest side of right angle triangle, longest side, and this is opposite of the right angle, it is called hypotenuse. And the other two sides, these are other two sides are called legs for this triangle, right angle triangle, or one by one. This is one perpendicular and this one is base. So we can say here BC. BC for C. C is like as we have taken here length. So BC, C is called here base and the AB side, B like as its side length is perpendicular and the hypotenuse is AC, A. So this is the hypotenuse. Now what is the property for right angle, obtuse angle? How can we find out? So when we find out the two legs, square of the two legs, this two legs B square and the C square. When we find out the sum of these two legs or sum of the base and the perpendicular, square of the base and perpendicular sum, it is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. It is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Like this we can say here right angle triangle, if any length has been given and it is right angle triangle, so what is the property hold for? Pythagoras property hold if any length has been given like as this is the right angle triangle and this is A length, this is C length, this is B length, this is right angle triangle and this is opposite side A, so it is hypotenuse. So square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of means addition of square of these two legs. You can say legs, or this is base, this is perpendicular. So sum of these square of these two legs are equal. Hypotenuse square and the sum of these square of these two legs is equal. Then we can say the given length will make the right angled triangle. If there is other condition, acute angle triangle, you have given 3 sides, 3 length, and you will find out the longest side. Here not right angle, here acute angle triangle, so right angle not has been given here. You can find out how to find out your hypotenuse. So it is the longest side of the longest length of the side. 3 sides length has been given, and which is the biggest or longest, so it will be the hypotenuse. So we will find out the square of this longest side and then find out the other two sides square sum. Find out the sum of other two sides. This is like this is base, this is perpendicular, not here perpendicular. These are two sides has been given and the third side. So here 3 sides are different, and the biggest side will be called hypotenuse. We will find out the square of this side, and the other two smaller sides we will find out the sum of that square. So b square plus c square. If that is hypotenuse, longest side square is smaller than the sum of the other two sides square, so it will be acute angled triangle. Now the third position, 3 length has been given and we have to find out it is obtuse angled triangle, acute angle, obtuse angle, or right angle triangle. So we will find out the first square of the longest side, length of the longest side. So there is longest side A here. So we will find out the A square first, longest length, and then find out the sum of the other given two length. So B square plus C square. So it will be, if the longest square of the longest side length is greater than the sum of other two sides length square, will be called made obtuse angled triangle, not acute, not right. So there is no object triangle has been given, only length has been given, then you may find out by this formula it is obtuse angle triangle, it is acute angle triangle, or it is right angle triangle. So if Pythagoras property hold, then it will be right angle triangle. If Pythagoras property not hold, then it may be acute angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle. So if longest side square of the longest side is smaller than the sum of other sides square, it will be acute. And if the square of longest side is greater than the sum of the square of two others length sides, it will be obtuse angle triangle. So Pythagoras property not hold in these two conditions, and in right angle triangle, if the length has been given in this situation, the property is in this form, you can find out the solution for this, then Pythagoras property hold and it will be right angle triangle. And the properly Pythagoras property and theorem, how to find out the complete. So you will go to the solve in the coming standard 8, 9, 10th class. You will find out the theorem exactly. Now this is Pythagoras property, and by this you can find out the which length will made right angle triangle, which length given made acute angle triangle, which length will be made obtuse angle triangle. So this is the Pythagoras property.